Alright, that's beautiful. TP alert hit. To start off the video, we aimed for a nice 1 to 3 on a Monday, and we secured a nice 1 to 3 on a Monday.
In the park. Now it's time to go home. Was playing some basketball for some time, but yeah, it was a good sesh today. Yeah, just take my mind off trading again. I kind of forgot I even traded today. Literally whilst I was at the pitch and I was playing, I was thinking to myself like, yo, I hit a 1 to 3 today. My mind really hasn't been on trading recently. Well, it has, and obviously I've still been trading and stuff, and you guys know that, but it's not really heavy on me like it usually is. So I'll update you guys properly when I get home, but basically, I bought a 50k funded. Last week I didn't record at all, and it was a really bad week. Really bad week. Yeah, I'm down 6%. With that 1 to 3, it made it 6%. Last week I risked a lot. I risked very heavy.
So this was the trade. As you can see, these are my trades from last week. This one, delete the buy limit before I got tapped in. 2 losses because I got the bias wrong both times. This one was a loss over here. Like it was a bad week. Enough of that. This is the new week. So yeah, price, as you can see, we got a big move to the downside. So I was like, okay, cool. Wait on the reversal. Waited. Saw rejection, consolidation here. And I saw prices not breaking this point. So I thought, okay, let's just continue waiting. We scale down to the 5 minute. What do we see? We see a 5 minute inversion. And yeah, it flew, and we could have targeted London highs, we could have targeted the 1 hour high, that swing high there, bro. We could have targeted a lot, and like, bro, that would have made me flip in a lot of, that would have been like a 1 to 12, bro. That would have made me 12%. And I was in that trade on 2 positions, but I got stopped out on 1 position, is what it is. Oh yeah, starting from, I'm going to continue vlogging, but going onwards, I'm going to only vlog in 4K 24 FPS and see if that makes a difference. So you guys let me know in the comments if it does. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Today. Hit a nice, we're about to hit a nice little 1 to 4. I did say, you know, I would never aim higher than a 1 to 3, but I'm in drawdown. So we need this. In on 2 positions. Oh, it's looking uptown. It's looking uptown. 1.2 we're floating. Okay, cool, that's 2%. We keep it going. If we hit this trade, we'll be out of drawdown. So fairly confident in this trade, mainly because I waited all day for this setup. I looked to London session, I was like, okay, cool, uptrend. We've been on an uptrend for like 2 days now. And then when I woke up for London session, I was like, okay, we're still in an uptrend. I could have entered here on this pullback. But there's literally no reason for me to enter. It just would have created some bad habits. So I was like, you know what, let me wait. You know, I'll get an opportunity at some point. And then I saw a reversal. I saw a 15-minute inversion get disrespected. Oh no, get respected. So I set my buy limits at the 5 minute fair value gap that got left behind. This one up here, just above the inversion. And we got tapped literally beautifully. I don't know if you can see that, but we got tapped so beautifully. And we're in for a nice 1 to 4. I went gym today already. I read my Bible. I, you know, did all the good things that needed to be done. There's one more thing I need to do. I need to go out and get some shopping. So yeah, in for London lows, and I think it's very achievable. I haven't been vlogging much this week. There's been a lot that's been happening this week, so I've been kind of focusing on just like putting my personal life and stuff like that. But we're still on track with these trades. We still be hitting these out the park.
You lot know, man. I had to do it, man. Again. Had to, man. Combo over rice. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating, bro. I was outside for like, what, 10 minutes? Not even 10 minutes. Just went to go pick up some food. I know some of you guys are from America. Trust me, the UK heat is different, bro. It's different. This meal is actually probably one of the best healthy gym meals. You got your rice, you got salad on the side, chicken, and lamb. So I always get a water with it as well. Anything, I always just get water, but for like protein and carbs wise, and also you got your salad for nutrients. It's actually probably one of the like best meals for like gym and stuff. And on top of that, it's healthy. Now, is it the most price efficient? Probably not. But, you know, sometimes you have to pay the price.
I literally forgot to update you guys with the trade. So, yeah, price actually tapped this fair value gap, and it just flew. It was a 15 and 5 minute fair value gap. And I should have known around here to just get out with my 1%, or I think I was floating 2% profit. I should have just known to get out after price was like failing to break these past this low, or no, past this gap. I got out break even on one position, and then the other position I got out at 0.5%. So I only risked 0.5% for that trade. Not bad. And as you can see, price is kind of just selling off now, and we're getting a breaker structure. But Yeah, like I was gunning for the reversals.
Now you're asking why? Why am I reversing in such a bullish market? Listen, trading reversals is like it's basically what I do. It's literally 10 o'clock. I was gonna go on a 5K run and record that, but then I thought it's a bit late. I'm also gonna have to take out my hair sometime this week or next week. I don't know. I'm not in a rush to do so. Tomorrow, hopefully, there's opportunity, and we'll continue. We'll go again tomorrow. You know, that's all we're doing. That's all this process has just been about. I'm on this 50K funded, trying to get out of drawdown. I'm like 7% in drawdown, or 6.5%. I don't know, something like that, because of a very bad week last week. Like, I'm not always catching wins, so yeah, we're just trying to get out of it now.
I'm trying to practice the art of sleeping early. Not only is it a good thing to sleep early, but it's also a sign of discipline and stuff. Just saying no to, staying up late and all that stuff and all that jazz. Your discipline and your psychology outside of the markets, what you do outside of the markets, I think it directly correlates to your trading in the markets. If you have good discipline, if you have a good routine, if you have good set standards and goals to achieve every day, who's to say that you can't do that in the markets? This is just a thing to add to that. This for me is early, which is really bad, but it is what it is. Next day is looking yay. There's no reason to enter any setup today, so I've just been waiting. Plan for today is I want to go gym, and then I want to go on a 5K run. I ain't done running in a while. Let me even check the last time I went on a run, because it's been a minute. The last time I went on a 5K run was the 1st of January. Oh my gosh, it's been 6 months. Go gym first though, because I don't want to waste all my energy on the 5K and then have no energy for gym. So obviously gym first. I'm probably going to go gym in the next 20 minutes. Also for my Bible I invested, because my highlighter was pretty much gone. So I got some new highlighters and some post-it notes for my Bible. I'm really trying to make my Bible look colourful and make it look blessed. I mean, the most I do is I just highlight verses. That's the most I do. And I just do it in different colours. Can you see that? Yeah, mostly I'm just highlighting verses. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me find some more. Yeah, I just highlighting them in different colors. You got the yellow, blue. Yeah, but yeah. Anyways, Bible time. You already know. It's a non-negotiable every single day. I was reading my Bible. I come back and price is like a barcode, bro. I just might have to take today off. I just might have to. Alright, we're in a trade finally, and it's aligning with the trend. Oh my gosh, I'm happy. This whole London session has been flipping dog. And then finally we got a New York session. Okay, cool. So we made a new New York low, right? So we swept London liquidity. Okay, that's the first confluence. And then obviously if we turn out to the 15 minute, we swept to this order block here. I saw an inversion on the 1 minute, and I was like, okay, cool, let me enter in. Now 1 minute inversions are kind of weak, so 5 minute inversions are probably the confluence. So this would have been my my confluence. We're waiting 2 minutes 23. If the candle closes above, we're staying in this trade. If it doesn't, we'll close out a break even. Actually, we'll see in it, but yeah, we'll see. We're waiting for the body closes, basically for extra confirmation. For now, we are currently up on the trade a little bit. I'll wake up for London session. If there's nothing, I'll wait patiently for New York. That's it. And if nothing comes in New York, I'll patiently wait until the next day. Patiently. Now, the account, the 50K account is on 46.8K. It's about 6% in drawdown, right? And for this week my profit is 1,000. Yeah, and if we make this trade, we'll be on 49K. We'll be on 49. Actually, no, I think we'll be around out of drawdown with this trade, right? So that's 6% made on this trade. So that's a 1 to 3 on 2 positions. We thank God for volume on the markets, because damn, I was waiting a long time for this setup. To avoid me just being here on the charts for the longest time, I think I might just go gym, just because it's something to do, and also I'm not just glued to the charts all day and night. Oh my gosh, we got a body close. That is the confirmation we needed. See, that would have been my second entry, but I'm already in on 2 positions. But my second entry would have been right there. You see, that is what we call a W stop loss. Let me not say this now and get stopped out, but hey, W spreads actually. W spreads, because, that could have easily stopped me out, bro. Look how close that is to my stop loss. That's like, not even a pip, bro. On MetaTrader, this is what we're seeing. As you can see, we're still on both positions, but W spreads for not stopping me out. I appreciate you. Lovely push to the upside. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is what we needed. Umar caught the sells. To be honest, I don't know how he caught the sells. He's going to have to show me, bro. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beauty. I've also entered 2 positions on a gold, as you can see. And for gold, we're pushing. We're floating 900 right now in gold. Now, this is on the 200K that we did pass phase 1 last video. But as you can see, their balance is like 211 because I've been trying to scalp and it hasn't been working. But for this gold trade, we're up right now, two positions open. So yeah, we're just gonna wait and see what happens, to be honest. I might actually have to trade that account properly because it's on 211 and I need it to hit 218. So that's 7k. If these two trades hit, then that's what, 4k. So then it's not that bad. But on this, we floating a lot though. We float in 1.3, which is 3% almost. Both trades are looking good though. The gold trade ain't looking so good. We reversed straight back up to we reversed to entry point. So yeah, we'll break even for that right now. The GU trade is looking good. I'm gonna go gym and come back and we'll see what this trade is on. Trading on a 200k account and a 50k account is simultaneously is kind of, yeah, it's kind of peak. You know what? I should have entered my positions on the 200k for GU as well. Oh my gosh, I just realized that I could have entered the 200k account on the same positions on GU as well, and we would be chilling right now. All right, so this is the final update before I leave for gym. So this is the GU trade on 2 positions. As you can see, it looks very, very nice right now, very clean. The gold trade is something kind of similar, but it's just a reversal. I always enter on 2 positions, so that's why I've lost so much. So from last week, I got the account to what, 224,000, and I was on like 212. It's kind of peak, but oh well. And I've got alerts on both trades, so we'll wait and see for that.
Bro, look at what we're floating right now. Price literally did exactly what I thought it was going to do. Oh my goodness me. We hit TP as I recorded that. There we go. For the day on gold, we're up, what, 6 on gold? I just got to the gym and we're up 6. The results, they be speaking. Done with gym. W gym sesh. As you can see, I'm not even going to show you guys too much because I can't. But yeah, you guys are seeing the progress. You're seeing the segregation and the segregation. I know you see that there. Give me some more time. Oh my gosh, today was a W gym sesh. I'm still in the GU trade, but it's playing out how I wanted to, so that's good. When I hit the gold trade, I wanted to get gassed in the gym, but obviously I knew I couldn't. But 6k just like that, just on a little reversal. What? Word, it really be that easy. We could be on phase 2 tomorrow. If I can catch a reversal in gold again tomorrow, we're on phase 2, so let's go. Just got back from gym. The trade looking likely, looking very, very likely. Hey, I put my stops at 1%, so for both positions, so if we get stopped out, we've secured a nice little 2%. That gold trade made me so happy, I don't know why. 6k on a 200k, and I checked the 200k dashboard. We need $200 more to pass phase 1, and we need 1 more trading day. So literally tomorrow, I catch a 1-to-1. I'm good, bro. Another phase 2, I'll be gassed with that. I'll be very, very gassed with that. What's funny about the gold trade, literally a 1-to-1, is, bro, I almost got stopped out. I almost got stopped out. Hey, man, this is how we do it, man. I was sensing that reversal. I was sensing it incoming. My stop loss is somewhere here. This is my out of drawdown trade right here, bro. If this hits, this is my out of drawdown trade. And if not, we'll be on phase 2 tomorrow anyways, hopefully, if I can catch a nice reversal again on gold. So this is the 200k statistics. Now we refresh. This was before I left the house. When I got back, 217. Boom, we on 9% profit almost. And this is what my account looked like. I was at 201, 221, then 216, then 224. Then I was just trying to scalp. I was losing, all the way down to 211. And then today brought back up to 217. This is me just trying to scalp GU and gold just to get those minimum trading days up. We're so close. Woo! Let's go! Holy crap! Wait, I need to check the trade closed out. I need to check. Yes, sir! We back up! Oh, today was such a beautiful day. Oh, glory to God. Bro, look at the consolidation. Fam, do you see how, like, slow price moved for, like, 2-3 hours? I was literally in the gym and price moved from, like, here to, like, here. It was, like, 5 pips in the space of, like, an hour, bro. W flipping day. I caught 6% on my phase, on my 50k, and then 3% on my 200k. I got my 50k out of drawdown, and my 200k pretty much past phase 1. Who would have thought? I knew that reversal was coming, bro. I saw it, and I was like, bro, I know that reversal was coming, bro. Last week, look how many losses I took last week. Look at that. Look how many I took before I started winning, bro. Bro, last week was a horrible week. I didn't edit that video or anything. The video where I made 23k, that was the week before. Last week, I didn't edit or upload it at all because That was such a bad week. I lost like 8% that week. All right, bless. Well, that's my day done.
In on a gold trade. I don't know why I entered 2 positions, but aiming for not even a 1-to-1, and yeah, it ain't going so well. On GU, we got reversals playing out. I set my buy limit to the fair value gap that got left. Now, we did get a body close, so we got a 5-minute inversion, right? So my entry should have been like here already as it is. I want to get a better entry, so I don't want to rush this one. So we just took a nice little buy limit, and we'll see if we get tapped in. If we don't, we don't. But I'm more just focused on these gold trades because like this is phase 2 right here. On the 200k if I manage to hit this. Alright, so we got tapped in on GU, and I got out of one position. So one position was at break even, as you can see, and then one position I'm still in, just because I'm not as confident for this trade, so we won't be risking that extra bit. Yo, gold has been playing with me. We've been in the grey zone for quite some time now, but yo, it's not over yet. Alright, GU I got stopped. Thankfully, I closed on one position, and we only risked 1%. Okay, cool. That's not even that bad. Again, I need to stop trading against the trend, hoping for these reversals. That's kind of like my issue. I can't lie. I do that a lot. Nah, man. What is this? What the hell? That was 2 positions. So, how much do I need on phase 2 now? Now I need like another like 3k. Today is definitely a losing day. We made it back. My brain is numb because of the losses I took this morning, but we made it back. Thank God. Holy moly, that was the trade we took on gold. So this was our losses, this was my re-entry, and this is literally an AMD setup right here, bro. Tell me this ain't an AMD setup. Probably tap some sort of POI as well. Tell me this ain't no AMD setup, bro. 217.5, so I need $500 to pass phase 2, or to pass phase 1, sorry. I'm gonna wait patiently for us up in New York, but hey, we made our losses back. We took 3 losses this morning, and we took 2 wins, and the 2 wins pretty much made up for it. And today we're only down $200. On gold, you win big or you lose big. That's all it is on gold. Bro, this is me just trying to get to phase 2 scalping gold, bro. What is this? This is actually gonna make bad habits. This isn't good. Come on, this is all I need right here. Oh my gosh, this trade is so painful. This trade is so painful to watch. I'd rather you stop me out. I'd rather you hit me my take profit straight away. Why are you doing this? Why is price action so choppy, especially on gold? Again, we're seeing GU sell off in the end, but hey, we just caught it at the wrong time. I could, like, damn. Yeah, gold trade, I got stopped out, so that was fun. Yeah, there's news at 1:30, so I'm gonna wait for news before trying to enter anything else today. We've already took like a bunch of selves today, mostly on the 200k, but it is what it is. Alright, so I entered GU on some longs. Got stopped out on 2 positions, and I tried to get a good entry, so I entered the 3rd position, just so with my other position I'll get out break even. And I forgot to set a stop loss, so I lost so much more than I was meant to. The funded account is down to 48k. That trade I just lost 3%, which I wasn't even meant to lose 3%. Damn, today has been an L day so far. L flipping day. So because of the loss, I can't trade on the 50k for the rest of today, because obviously daily loss limit. We gotta be wary of that. Because I lost 3% instead of losing 2% like I was meant to. This was the trades. I was expecting a reversal, but yeah, I know it's going to happen at some point. It's just a matter of when. You might think we're done for the day, but when you're on the markets like I am for as long as I am, you get addicted. So what have we got? No, I haven't entered on the 50k. No, yo, relax. I ain't done that. On the 200k, you know, I don't care that much about the account. We got some longs. We're going to hold them out. You know, we took a bunch already this morning. This is the last one, right? And if we get this, then that's it. On 2 positions, as you know, we just need 2%. That's all we need. PNL is already up 250, 200. Today I'm trading like a madman, but it will all pay off if I just hit this trade on golds, because this is the last one that I need. Yeah, for GU, obviously done for the day, 50k done. You know, this is just all on the 200k now. 200k, right? So here's how it works. 200k, I trade gold. 50k trade GU. That's it. That's all I do. For today, GU, we lost more than we were meant to because I entered the 3rd position hoping the price would come up to break even so I could close out the 3rd position. Didn't happen. Yeah, so we lost way more than we were meant to. Obviously, I don't risk 3% on a trade. That was just a bit unlucky for me. But it's okay. You know, I think tomorrow we can make it back. It's a lot to process, and you're probably thinking, yo, you're being really stupid right now. But on the 200k, there's a lot more leverage. There's a lot more, like, space to risk and stuff like that. Alright, boom, now New York session has started. Come on, New York. Oh, we are looking good. We are in the money. Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh my goodness me. We love that. We love that. I told you I was confident, chat. I told you. Stop doubting me. Oh, gold. Yo, sometimes I can scalp it out. We 2 for 4 with gold today. So we lost this 1-to-1. Then we made this back. And then we lost. And then we made it back. So, yeah, I'm just watching videos whilst I was waiting for this to hit TP. But, yo, price printed, bro. Gold treated me very nicely today. In total, I think we're up on gold. Like, if you include all the trades on gold today, we're up like 1,000, like almost 2,000 or something, which is crazy. Something was telling me to wait for New York Open. Gosh. Oh, and I also see that 5-minute inversion that I was waiting for. That got body closed. That would have been my entry right there. And we would be eating quite good right now. Okay, like I said, I can't trade on the 50k anymore today just because, yes, like daily loss limit. Nah, you're taking the piss. You're actually taking the piss. How do I still have 4 minimum trading days, bro? I did all of that. Let me refresh. Nah, even with my winning trades, you're taking the piss. There's no way I've still got 4 minimum trading days. I've contacted Atlas customer support because I'm almost certain I have 5 minimum trading days. And I keep refreshing the page and it's still saying I have 4. So I've messaged them. Hopefully they get back to me and hopefully they double check that for me. I just messaged customer support and they just got back to me saying the same thing. They said I have 4 minimum trading days when I should have 5. I'm going to show you guys right now. They said for a trading day to count as a trading day, you must have 0.5% profit for that day. Okay, cool. This is day number 1, 10th of July. Second day, 12th. I gain 8k, right? Third day, 17th. Look at that, 1,000, almost 1%. Day 4, 25th, which was yesterday. I gained 6k. The 5th day is today. I gained what, 8k today. P&L for today is over 1,000. How, bro? Don't trade with this prop firm. This prop firm is actually just cheeks. Like, there's a reason why this prop firm, like, no one can vouch for it. They've got some dumb rules. They don't even stick by their rules. They're definitely the type of prop firm that won't pay out. Listen, don't trade with this one. Don't do it. Again, I just do it for fun, but chai. Alright, we outside. Uploaded in the video. Trying to get out for you guys. 4K24, I don't know if it's good or bad. I don't know. You guys are gonna have to let me know. Bro, what do you mean 20 minutes, bro? Oh, it's finally up, bro. Finally. Alright, we're gonna head into Central. I got a parcel that I need to collect as well. Big fat box that I've just picked up. Anyway, I was out in Central today and then yeah, I just came back to my bits to collect this parcel. The weather's beautiful though. I wanted to go play football today, but it's already like 6:30, 6:40. It's kind of late in the day. I was meant to go out to play basketball as well, but my boy bailed on me. I knew my day wasn't done. I have to go back outside to upload the video again because technical difficulties with the first one. Time to go back out to my sister's. Alright, today is a Friday, the last trading day of the week. And I've noticed a little pattern for the last 2 days or 3 days. This is on Tuesday. London session goes up. We get our sells. Then we get our buys for New York, right? Wednesday, we get our sells in London. And then we get our buys in New York. I caught these buys, right? Which was a good day, right? And then Thursday, we get our sells in London. We get our buys in New York. I was going to catch the buys again if we scroll into the 5 minute. But I literally just got liquidated. But look, that was a beautiful 1 to 5, which I got stopped out on yesterday. And today we got our sells for London, so I'm expecting buys for New York, just like it was the last 3 days. I woke up late, so yeah, I missed these sells again. Right now I'm just going to wait out until New York's session starts, which starts in literally an hour, and then we'll be looking for those buys. Oh, we got a body close already. Damn, that was a bit short. We'll enter in on one position, and we'll see what happens. Alright, boom, we got our second position in. And our second position was a better entry than the first one. It was literally just a buy limit at the fair value gap that got left after the inversion got created. So, and this will be again my out of drawdown trade again, but it is what it is. We're looking good. We're looking good. But the thing is, I want to hold out until the swing high, which is up here. I want to hold out until that high. So I might have one position holding out and then one position just securing a nice little 1 to 2 for some profits. You know, we up for the funded, you know. We're on 48k, that's the balance right now, so we're trying to get this out of drawdown. This is my trades for now. Yeah, 148,
With this trade, we should be looking at like 50.
Oh, that is brutal. All the gains that we just made lost just like that in 2 candles, bro. Bro, I thought New York was meant to be my savior, bro. Price gonna break above this fair value gap.
Bro. Oh my gosh, W stop loss. W flipping stop loss. Oh my gosh, look how close I was to getting stopped. Look at this on TradingView, it says I got stopped out. We still in, bro. Oh, what a W stop loss. Watch price come back down to my stop loss and actually take me out this time, but yo, W stop loss, bro. We still in the trade. Now the question stands, we're in a bit of, we're in break even pretty much. Now the question is, do I get out of one position? It's either I get out or I hold it. Pause. Should I stay in this? I could get out now and I'll be done for the week, but holy crap. I stayed in this trade. It's read for the news right now, right? It's pending, as you can see, so, we should have some, finally, some volume. I stayed in on 2 positions, bro. I still have a bullish bias. Like, the bias has not changed. It's still bullish. So, alright, so my original TP just got smashed, as you can see. It just took out London highs. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, we love that. We love that. Alright, so if we were just aiming for our first TP, it would have got smashed just now. And I would have probably, recorded it and stuff. And then, yeah, my alerts would have gone off and everything. But guys, look, I found a new method, right? This is what you have to do. You just have to keep hitting price. You just have to keep hitting it and it'll go upwards. Nah, we going backwards. What's up? Maybe I should have took my take profit at London high, bro. Maybe I shouldn't have been so greedy and aimed so high up. Okay, so what happened was I got out in one position, literally at break even. And then one position literally got out at break even. So, yeah, we're still in, but flipping out. Maybe I should have got out. Maybe I should have just, TP1. I should have just been happy with TP1. I would have been out of drawdown. Just barely. I'd be on 50k flat right now if I took TP1. Well, we're going to have to just blindly trust the fact that the trade will go in the right direction. Right now it's kind of patterning up. Stepping outside today in shorts. Don't step outside in shorts, but it'd be hot. 25 degrees today sounds about right. I need to get a hat as well because I want to get a cap. But I'm going to be heading out with a friend. We're going to be doing some paddle boating. I don't even know where it is, but I'm just going to go. I don't think I'm going to record much of it, but if I do, I do. Damn, now I know not to be greedy, bro. Next time I'll just take TP1. It is what it is, man. Markets will teach you, bro. I should have just took that nice little 2%. No, I would have made 4%. Yeah, I would have made 4% and that would have been out of drawdown, bro. What's wrong with me? Why didn't I just take 4%? Flipping hell, man. Come back next week. Oh, yeah, I just got stopped out. I was greedy. That was on me. I was greedy. So let's just do my overall summary for this week. This week I gained, on the 200k I made $600, which is not even 1%. And then on the 50k this week, these are my trades for this week. We made in total 1.9k, which is just under 4%. Made it to the pitch. Waiting for my boy, bro. He's taking a long time. Why do I look so dark? Bro, we stayed here until it's dark, bro. It's literally 10:30 in the night and we're leaving. We played football and basketball for so damn long, bro. But it's time to go home. And that is how you take your mind off trading, ladies and gentlemen. Just play football or basketball, whichever you play, and do that for hours. And I literally forgot that I'm even a trader, bro. I was having so much fun here with my friends. A couple of my guys that turned up. You got Imar there, Iman behind the thing, and then you got Sulain as well, which came, and then some guy that we met. Oh, you're right.
Which way are you going?
Huh? Wow.
Right.
Say something to the vlog.
Hi guys.
Is that it?
Yeah. How are you?
Yes, please.
I don't know who's watching the vlog, so generally.
Oh, just 5 people.
Which are?
Just my 5 friends.
Okay, hi 5 friends. My name is Taisa.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Generally, you should come to church on Sunday. I don't know what you do on Sundays, but you should come to church on Sunday.
Yeah,
so you can encounter Christ.
Yes,
he
please.
hasn't told you to.
Well, you guys know that, and I have told you, and that's why you guys comment Bible verses on my videos. Love for that.
Are you a YouTuber or something?
How do I say this? Maybe. I don't like to lie. No, I'm not gonna lie. Yes, I am. Yeah.
When he starts making bank, I was here. Humble beginnings. Started
Yes,
from the
please.
bottom, now we're here.
When I tell you, I don't tell any of my friends I make videos. They just find out, genuinely. And that's just me deciding not to tell them. But yeah, trade for the week, up for the week, made 4% after the week. So it seems like after we swept the London session high, New York was a bearish. I mean, it did liquidity sweep London session high. There's no body close, as you can see. This is on the 5-minute. Price literally hit my TP perfectly, or TP1, and I would have been out of drawdown. and then we would have looked for an inversion. I don't see an inversion right now. Should have took what the markets gave me to offer. I was trying too much, you know what I mean?
Let me know on the quality if 4K 24 like is a better or worse. Tell me, let me know. I'm gonna be filming on this for a couple of videos just to see how it is. But yeah, thank you guys for watching for this week. This week was a crazy one. It's been a lot of ups and downs, but you know, it's also taught me a couple of valuable lessons. We come back next week on the 50K funded, 47K, 47.5K, so almost 5% in drawdown. We'll make it back. We always do. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you. I'll leave you guys. Take care and peace.